Hello everyone, welcome back to my gardening channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to grow a parsley from seeds, but first of all subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates. So I'm growing seeds indoor. So let's start growing our seeds. So we need a small container to soak the seeds. Soaking them in a water helps to fast the seed germination process. You can even plant directly parsley seeds in a garden, but it takes 7 days to germinate, so I prefer to soak them. It will take less days to germinate. So this is the seeds of parsley. So now I'm gonna soak in lukewarm water. So use lukewarm water to soak it and leave it for 1 day. After 1 day, seeds are ready to plant. So in potting mixture, I am using organic manure as you seen in the video and garden soil with some peat moss. So now I'm mixing organic manure with the pot soil. 50% of garden soil, 30% of organic manure and 20% is peat moss. Now mix it well. And now I'm gonna plant seeds in this potting mixture. So now sow seeds 1 centimeter deep in a potting mixture. So if you are sowing seeds outside, sow the seeds 2 centimeter deep with the space of 8 centimeter apart. So similarly plant all the seeds. And when planting is done, cover the seed with manure. You can even use sand to cover all these seeds. Do not cover your seeds with the hard soil, otherwise your seeds will not get germinate. Now spray water on it. So make sure that keep the soil moist while seeds germinates. Water your seeds with a gentle spray or by pouring water into a tray indoor, so you do not displace the small seeds. So here I am almost done with the planting of seeds. Now I'm gonna keep the pot in a window where the pot gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, and the best temperature of germinate the seed is 21 degrees Celsius. If you are planting your seeds directly without soaking them, so be patient and give it plenty of time. Or you can use seedling heat mat, can help speed up the germination. So after 6 days, you will see seeds start growing. You can see all the seeds are germinated well. Now this clip is like after 14 days. So about fertilizer, I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm using the Marigold Grow fertilizer, which is easily available in Home Depot or any grocery stores. You can even buy that fertilizer online. So about water, I'm gonna tell you guys. Parsley seedling like evenly moist soil, so never allow it to dry out completely, but be careful not to overwater them. They won't tolerate sitting in water for very long. So this clip is after 21 days. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.